Pookie ji wala.
Pookie 1, 2, 3.
Pookie 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, tomorrow I'm coming to Dilli Lulu. Chole bhature, alright?
I am the only woman in that show between the 10 gundas.
Mumbai मेरी जान, अब बंदूक मेरे पास है, लेनी down.
Both quite capable of killing.
आराम से बच्ची.
Hi guys, this is Akanshi and you're watching yet another episode of iDiva Talking Stage, and we have none other than the Pookies of Gyara Gyara today. Welcome.
Pookies. I like
You're
that.
already learning.
Thank you.
Pookie ji wala.
Pookie 1, 2, 3.
Pookie 1, 2, 3.
You know what Pookie means?
Yeah, we got it.
Got it?
What is it?
Cuties. Like
Oh,
so
wow.
cute.
Okay.
So Pookies of
Pookies.
Gyara Gyara
Wow.
are here
Amazing.
at Talking Stage.
Okay.
Do you know what that means?
No.
It's also a Gen Z dating term.
I know. I've been in this class before.
Yeah, Talking Stage is a Gen Z dating term. If they don't know, we'll give it to you.
It's in the words, guys.
Talking stage.
हाँ,
Okay,
हाँ.
मतलब कि stage मिला है मैं talk करने के लिए तो अभी talk कर.
वो talking वाला phase चल रहा है.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh, I was talking stage. Oh, like that.
Yeah,
Okay, sorry.
yeah.
I
So-
literal जा रहा था.
Yeah, so we are in a talking stage. We'll see where it goes
Okay, done.
after this. But congratulations on Gyara Gyara.
Thank
It
you.
looks amazing. I want to ask you, what is one thing that you feel like about Gyara Gyara that will have the audience in a chokehold?
Every time that Gyara Gyara happens in the show, these two can talk.
Buckle up.
Yeah.
Buckle up.
Some magic happens with two
Yeah.
walkie-talkies, which is going to have people in a chokehold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you just don't get complacent ever. Like you'll always be at the edge of your seat.
I can't wait.
But wait for it to be Gyara Gyara in the show.
Got it.
As in 11:11 on the clock.
But who out of you actually believes in like 11/11?
I don't know, but whenever I see 11/11 by तुक्के से
Yeah.
जो भी जेंजी वर्ड होगा इसका वो जब भी मैं देखता हूँ तो मैं उस वक्त एक मेरे ब्रेन को एक सिग्नल मिल जाता है कि चलो अब बहुत टाइम हो गया, यू हैवंट लेफ्ट योर फोन, अभी तुमने बहुत टाइम से अपने आप के साथ बात नहीं की, तो जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड यू नो इट जस्ट रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ इन द बीइंग में लाने के लिए थोड़ा वो मुझे रिमाइंड कर देता है. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ बिलीव नहीं करता कि उसमें मेरे आसपास एंजल घूम रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
वो तो आप खुद हो ना.
मतलब खुद हूँ. I'm a
फिर कैसे हो?
फरिश्ता.
Angel, my favorite line ever to say anybody and to myself also when I'm feeling it is angel exists, I am proof.
Yes.
Wow.
So angel exists, you all are proof.
Already amongst
Angel exists with a
somebody's
tie.
company.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
I don't believe in it, but it started happening to me. This was last night. Okay, I took a screenshot. The date is on it also,
Crazy.
and I wasn't waiting for it. It just randomly happened.
Yeah,
So maybe
it's been happening a lot
subconsciously
has
ever
it?
since
Yeah.
the show.
Yeah.
Who was
Do you
doing-
believe in 11/11? Do you believe in something like this, angelic or something?
Yeah, I like as you said, I don't like constantly keep looking out for it, but like 444 is also apparently an angel number, which I have started seeing a lot recently.
And then you make a wish.
No, it's 1111 is to make a wish. 444 is a sign that your
Signals.
guardian angels are looking out to you.
Okay.
Oh.
So every angel number has a different meaning, but I've been seeing 444 out, so I googled and that's what it means apparently.
Oh.
Okay.
Is this in a book? Can you send it to me?
It's on Google.
Google your favorite.
Okay.
But how was it on sets? Who was the prankster? Who improvised a lot?
Prank वैंक पे भी तो वो तो मैं ही करता हूँ कभी-कभी किसी से. बाकी improvise तो सभी करते हैं, actors हैं. लेकिन prank तो I think मैं ही करता हूँ.
Thanks.
Raghav is intentionally and unintentionally funny. So it's a lot of fun being around him.
Yeah.
It is. I feel that energy also. Nice.
And we have to balance it out also, no?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
otherwise
everybody
very-
can't just be pranksters.
Yeah, and very intense things were happening in the show.
पूरे set की टेंट गिर रहे हैं. वेलकम में नहीं था. अरे लड़ो. डायरेक्टर को yeah,
I
like
get.
that, yeah.
But Kritika, Avinash, I was in a talking stage with Avinash Tiwari.
Oh, you
and
were?
he said,
Wait, I've seen this. Yes.
you have?
I think so.
He said that he appreciates you so much for the fact that how you hold your own space, because you can be around 10 men and still stand out and not give into it. And you also have 2 male stars today as well, and like you did have a lot of male co-stars in Bombay Meri Jaan as well. So like, what do you want to say on
I'm going
that?
to say Avinash is a Pookie.
He is.
Okay, he is. And I think also he's taken my character too seriously because I am the only woman in that show between the 10 gundas. And I mean, all our gangsters and my character is also like a gangster. I think he's taken that image of mine too seriously. I've also shown that side of me in some of his house parties. So he has enough reason to believe that I'm quite a gundi myself. But
Boss.
I was very well behaved with these guys, and there was no need to hold my own or anything here.
But were they well behaved? Like, are they red flags or green flags?
They are full on green flags.
Okay. Approved.
Best boys. Hashtag.
And if you had to tell one red flag about each one of them, एक तो हो गई.
Hmm.
There
Far
needs to be a
from
little
her.
bit more adventurous in life, I think.
रेड फ्लैग ही बना
Yeah, he plays it too safe.
रेड फ्लैग बना दिया
हाँ,
He
good,
plays
good.
it too safe. And Raghav, Raghav can be moody. It's not exactly a red flag, but sometimes he's difficult to like read. You don't know if you should talk to him or not talk to him at that time. Yeah.
आराम से बच्ची
I will.
No, but they're absolute. They're really, really. I mean, I'm not just saying this because they're here. I'll text you Alag se also. They're damn cute.
And what do you have to say about her? Green flag, red flag?
she's white red green she's
Walking
not red
green
sorry
flag.
she's a walking green flag
Yeah.
yes green flag और जिस तरह से जैसे मैं कभी सेल्फ डाउट में होता हूँ नर्वस होता हूँ सीन से पहले या सीन के बाद वो चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस उसके पास जा सकता हूँ विदाउट कंफर्टेबली जा सकता हूँ मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता वो जज कर रही है वो बोलती नहीं इट्स ओके या फिर यू तू ऐसे ट्राई कर ले तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि विदाउट जजमेंट में उसके पास जाके सीन के दौरान बोल सकता हूँ मेरी इनसिक्योरिटीज
Yeah.
दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ को एक्टर कि वो खुला रहे ऐसे एक दूसरे तो
And what's bad?
Red flag बताओ.
bad the way she like the biggest red flag in sorry I'll be honest
Yeah.
she needs to learn how to drive a car properly
That's cute. I feel so
That's-
bad. मैं
that's
तो really
spooky.
बोल दिया. They're
That's
not saying
spooky.
anything.
Pookie?
Pookie.
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 That's really. You're also a pookie.
Okay.
Cute. But
I feel very bad now.
no, but like it's cute only.
Okay,
Like
Yeah.
कभी कभी सीन के दौरान मैं इसका गियर बदल रहा होता था
that's true.
एक्टिंग करते हुए और
That's
ये भी तो it's collaborative effort
Yeah.
गाड़ी
Yeah.
चलाना मुझे पता लगा है
But there are from working the 9 to 5 in Gurgaon to diving into the gehraiya of Bollywood. Like,
Uh-huh.
how has it been?
It's been I don't want to say roller coaster. Let's just very boring. But
Oh, taking
Too
my
vanilla.
words too seriously, huh?
quick learner.
Abhi I'll change it.
Abhi, it's been eventful. It's been eventful, full of surprises because I didn't see myself here.
Yeah.
And what I did see is after the first year of not being in a 9 to 5, that vision I had. So yeah, after another year I quit, and one thing led to the other, and here I am chatting with you.
The only one thing led to another I like and approve of. Other one thing led to another's I don't like.
Yeah.
that
Like
much.
this is now.
We're here, we've
Yeah.
arrived.
This is a
this
milestone
it.
now. We've arrived.
Come on.
Chatting
Yes.
with you.
So सच में green flags हैं I feel.
है,
Yeah.
really.
Yeah, cute. But Raghav, you've been killing it with your performances and work lately, and like from
तुम्हें मना तो नहीं करते थे हॉल से अंदर हॉल में अंदर जाने
नहीं.
से क्योंकि R-rated फिल्म है
I am 23 years
okay
old.
then you are allowed to see
yeah,
that
I am. But what's been a compliment that's actually stayed with you?
I think one of my inspiration Fahad Fasil bhai he messaged me and he said that you have like तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया और it's great and he and भाभी his wife उन्होंने देखा है मुझे तो वो बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार जब किसी आर्टिस्ट से इतने दिग्गज आर्टिस्ट से जब वैलिडेशन मिलती है या फिर कुछ ऐसा मिलता है बाकी मुझे वो अच्छा लगा अनुराग सर का बहुत अच्छा लगा कि भाई तूने फोड़ दिया है तो वो इंस्पिरेशन है उनकी एक्चुअली गैंग्स देख के मुझे रियलाइज हुआ अच्छा ये भी एक्टिंग होती है क्योंकि हम लोग तो बचपन से शीशे के आगे डायलॉग्स बोलने वाली एक्टिंग करते थे फिर मुझे ये रियलाइज हुआ अच्छा ये भी होता है कि बस आ जाओ और चले जाओ कुछ पता ना लगे तो वो मैंने अनुराग सर ने जब बोला कि तूने बहुत अच्छा किया तो इन लोगों से बहुत सारे हैं ऐसे मैं सबके नाम लेते रहूंगा तो बहुत ऐसा हो जाएगा रेड फ्लैग में हो
It's
जाएगा
okay, it's okay. हम सुन सकते हैं. Come on.
तो बहुत लोग जब इंडस्ट्री से मुझे वैलिडेशन आया सबसे अच्छा मुझे तब लगा जब इंडस्ट्री सब लोग प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर्स ने मुझे कॉल किया और एज एन एक्टर कॉल किया, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत मेमोरेबल सा मोमेंट है.
I'll validate you in a Gen Z way also.
Yeah.
You ate and left no crumbs
He did.
with your performance.
Wow, I left crumbs.
You didn't.
Oh, अच्छा,
You
okay.
ate
And
and
left
You
no
ate and
crumbs.
left no crumbs.
Oh,
Which basically means कोई कसर ही नहीं छोड़ी, like कोई
Oh,
क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है. I love Gen Z.
Now you're in the list of people.
yeah, perfect.
Left
And
no
and also the 11-11 trailer slaps.
Yeah, it does.
slabs. भाई क्या word
Slabs.
निकाल दिया. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है यार. Very good. Yeah,
Thank
it slaps यार.
But moving on to a fun new segment, not the old one,
Oh.
and we have truths or kill, and we have something to
Wow.
kill as well. So
he doesn't need
ये तो
So we
तुम्हारी,
will choose
ये तो
between
तुम्हारी
truth or
वाली
kill?
है.
I will
Yeah,
ask you,
yeah.
like everybody gets a turn.
He
Yeah.
needs a knife. He doesn't kill with this.
So either you say the truth or you kill yourself.
No, you are supposed to tell me 2 truths and 1 lie about yourself, and you both have to guess which one's the lie and kill her at the lie. If
Okay.
you have guessed it correctly, otherwise then you will be dead. You will be out of the game basically.
I can't think of anything. This is.
So you take your time. We'll
Yeah,
start
yeah,
with you.
yeah,
You start or you start.
yeah.
मुझे कोई भी सूप या दही या कोई भी लिक्विड चीज चबा चबा के पीता हूँ. मैं चबा चबा के पीता हूँ.
Okay.
दूसरी चीज, मुझे 24 घंटे भी अगर पानी में या फिर रिवर में या फिर लेक्स में बैठा दो तो मैं वो कर लूँगा. और तीसरी चीज, आई एम रूड टुवर्ड्स वुमेन.
यार मतलब
But मुझे पता था कि पहले दोनों सच्चे ही हैं.
और तीसरी बात
We
आपने
knew
इतना
that about
टाइम
him.
लिया थर्ड वाला सोचने में कि पता
हाँ.
लग गया ना कि स्टार्टिंग वाले तो 2 आपको पता थे मतलब बट आपको
तो दही वाला, दही सूप वाला को
नहीं,
कंफ्यूज
नहीं,
नहीं किया
नहीं,
तुमने?
वही
third
तो,
is
हाँ.
impossible.
थर्ड इज
You can't be.
इम्पॉसिबल यू नॉट
ठीक है, मैं कुछ और बात बोलता हूँ.
अब तो पता लग गया
अब
ना
तो
बट
पता चल
क्या
गया.
क्या? There now
अब
you
तो
go.
गोली लग गई.
हाँ
अब मेरी आत्मा बोलेगी. भाई दे दे, अब तुम्हारा हो गया.
I would win every handwriting competition growing up. I would hog on Complan at night, or I'm a really good stalker.
like online
I
stalker
think
you
the-
mean right
Complan one.
I think the first one is a lie.
Complan is a lie.
Have you seen his handwriting?
अरे कॉम्प्लान में
मैंने नहीं
हैंडराइटिंग,
देखी है यार.
अबे हैंडराइटिंग सही है.
I
कॉम्प्लान की
feel
मैं
like
रात
he
को
looks
कॉम्प्लान
like
खाता
he
था.
looks like somebody who has a nice handwriting
He
for
does
some reason.
actually. He does.
He has nice
He looks he's too proper to
Yes.
not
Yeah.
have. But that's why I feel कि it's a
कुछ
dick,
हो
कुछ
सकता
गड़बड़
है.
है.
नहीं भाई, कॉम्प्लान.
He's a good stalker.
कितने बेवकूफ हैं
I
यार.
think. Complan क्यों नहीं खा सकता वो?
यार वो रात भर कॉम्प्लान खाएगा, वो चुड़ैल है क्या डायन?
अरे ये boarding school में था, करते हैं ऐसी हरकतें लोग.
कॉम्प्लान वाली डायन है क्या? आई थिंक कॉम्प्लान.
I think first वाला wrong है.
कॉम्प्लान वाली डायन.
You decide, you decide.
ओके, कॉम्प्लान
I
कर
am
दूं.
Well done. We're all positively
Yeah,
confused.
yeah.
कॉम्प्लान कर दूं.
मैं नहीं. I'm not on board with that. मेरे को लगता है first वाला.
तू कर से फिर तू मार.
नहीं but ठीक है. You do it ना.
First
One
वाला.
of us will get killed. मतलब it's okay. अलग-अलग भी बोल सकते हैं.
तो मैं आपको कॉम्प्लान के लिए कि फर्स्ट वाले के लिए, हैंडराइटिंग के लिए
अलग-अलग करते हैं ना.
अच्छा, अलग अलग करना
हाँ
है.
तो क्या हुआ?
हाँ, वेरी गुड. कॉम्प्लान.
Oh, that was the lie.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't have a go in Complan.
Yeah.
There is. I'm telling you this.
But yeah, I'm a bad stalker also. I confused you guys. I had 2 lies.
I thought you were a good stalker.
I'm a medium, lukewarm
Why are
stalker.
girls inherently
Better
great
stalkers?
stalkers? Yeah.
But I was,
Because
guys.
it needs patience and detailing.
yeah.
I get
It
half
is
an hour
very-
like fuck it.
To
Leave.
stop.
Like it's so much fun. Like if I know this one person that you randomly happened to mention,
Yeah.
I'll just go to your following list, find out. Probably if you are not following them, I'll find a cousin you're following, and then I'll find them, and then I'll find their boyfriend, then I'll find their sister. Like it's just
Do you have a Finsta?
to do this. I have Finstars. Many.
Oh. Nice.
I know what it is, but shit. Really?
Like, it's just
Many.
Yeah, I have.
Nice. I don't. And that's
Four.
why I can't open people's stories, and that really like
Yeah.
irritates me.
Yeah.
So she's completely wrong. I had I
Your
would
handwriting
win
is very good.
ever since
Yeah,
class
you have
1.
Whatever.
You look
artistic
like somebody who has a
hand.
nice hand.
कैसे पता लग जाता है शक्ल?
I don't know. Like आपके से नहीं लग रहा है ना? आपकी अच्छी handwriting होगी and like it's just like पता लग जाता है.
पता लग जाता है.
Sorry.
मेरी क्यों नहीं अच्छी होगी
I'm so
हैंडराइटिंग?
sorry.
मैं भी तो लिख सकता हूँ.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
मैं पेंट अच्छा करता था. वो हैंडराइटिंग नहीं हो पाती थी वैसी लेकिन.
Can you skip me?
No,
No, we can't.
No.
Please, I
Be
haven't
bad
thought.
at it. No, be bad at it.
I haven't thought about it.
Exactly.
Lady
so
Dawn.
be bad at it.
मुंबई मेरी जान, अब बंदूक मेरे पास है लेडी डॉन. कुछ भी बोल दे, कुछ भी बोल दे. अब हमें थे ना
What
पता
your
है.
favorite food?
I slept a good 8 hours last night. What?
नहीं अभी आ रही है. तू बोल ना.
No, I
ये
think she
प्रेशर
did.
है.
नहीं, she did. She did.
Look at my face.
This is performance pressure.
She did. ये तो true है.
I'm going to be fasting till lunch.
ये भी true है. अब false हो
And I've had 4 cups of coffee already.
I think the good sleep one is
False.
a false because I saw her stories from the show yesterday. She was attending.
हाँ तो still ना we started at 11. I'm assuming she
Oh,
slept
yeah.
8 hours. So
Could
you've
be,
had
yeah.
4
कौन सा
cups
show है
of
भाई?
coffee is the lie.
I'm not fasting today.
You've had 4 cups of coffee today.
Yeah.
The hell?
वो सबसे
I
time
fast every
लगाया
day. So,
उन्होंने.
Exactly. So I thought both are on
Yeah,
true है ही
सबसे
है.
ज्यादा time लगाया उन्होंने, but she won.
Damn.
वाओ यार.
no, he also won. We couldn't guess it.
Yeah. But he guessed
अच्छा, he
it,
guessed
no?
it.
Like one of
And he
us.
knew it
Yeah.
also शुरू से कि complex
से.
खाता है.
Yeah.
I don't know what boy thing this was.
I don't know what was the match.
Moving on to a quick rapid fire, which is my favorite.
Okay.
If you had to give a truth serum to anybody in the industry, who would you give it to and what would you ask?
मैं शाहरुख सर को ट्रूथ सीरम देना चाहूंगा उनको, क्योंकि वो बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज में उन्होंने कहा है कि जिस तरह के वो ह्यूमन बीइंग है, मुझे लगता नहीं वो ह्यूमन बीइंग है, वो फरिश्ते हैं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू गिव हिम द ट्रूथ सीरम.
ये आंसर बहुत सेफ था,
हाँ.
लेकिन because I love
तो मैं
SRK.
तो क्या चाह
Because
रही
I love
है.
SRK.
All of us, all of us.
When you do that, when
बड़ी
you give
मुश्किल
him
से
that,
मेरी फिल्म चली है थिएटर में, तो आज ही के दूसरी कहीं लेंगे ना
She wants
मुझे.
to get you cancelled.
No, I don't want to get you cancelled. I'll start a new Reddit thread in support of you.
फिर हम
that's
दोनों
nice.
करेंगे
With my
host.
5 instas. Yeah.
फिर हम दोनों
Very
होस्ट
nice.
करेंगे. मैं भी टाई पहन के, तू भी
Yes,
पूरे
done.
सबको. ठीक है,
Done.
डन
ठीक है.
डन.
But if you do end up giving SRK truth serum, you're supposed to get me.
ट्रूथ सीरम.
To him, not
Oh, to
truth
you.
serum
Yeah,
to me.
done, done.
वो तो मुझसे अभी
I
पूछ
also
रहा
want to be there.
वो तो
हाँ.
तुम कभी भी यार, आई वाज देयर
Fan
विद
club
ऑनेस्ट,
ना.
क्या बोलते हैं,
Fan
बर्थडे में
club.
था मैं उनके 6 बजे तक सुबह, और बहुत पार्टी करी हमने, बहुत मजे करे उनके बर्थडे पर. तो
Yeah.
Very J.
ठीक है.
Jay.
I'm gonna act
जी
salty
जी
now.
यार.
J is jealous. I am jealous.
Oh.
Jay is so very old. Yeah, my mummy also says. Come on, this is not
Really?
even millennial. Salty is.
I'm gonna
Oh,
act salty now.
yeah.
You're gonna add salty. I'm gonna add
Salty, I'm
pepper.
aware.
I'm gonna pepper with you.
I love it. I feel like Raghav was the child in school, backbencher in school, who used to make everyone laugh, है ना?
Yes.
See, अब आपको शक्ल से वो पता लग जाता है.
Zero period मेरा होता था.
Yeah.
Looks like he hasn't graduated from that class. He still makes everyone laugh.
Wow.
Oh,
Young forever.
So cute.
क्या बात है.
Forever
but
young.
you have to also give me an answer.
मैं सारे नेताओं को देना चाहता हूँ ट्रूथ सीरम.
किसको?
सारे नेताओं को जो भी झूठ बोलते हैं कि हम इलेक्शन
सारे नेताओं को जो भी झूठ बोलते हैं.
जो
Nice,
गांव
I
में
like
हैंडपंप
that.
लगा देंगे, जो भी झूठ बोलते हैं. मैं जो सारे नेताओं को जो वोट से पहले बहुत प्रचार करके झूठ बोलते हैं और बोलते हैं हो जाएगा, फिर वोट के बाद गायब हो जाते हैं, वो वाले नेताओं को. अब वो खुद पता होगा कौन है.
You know who you are if you're watching this.
Yes, I'm safe now.
ठीक है. But आपको नहीं देना किसी को truth serum पक्का.
It looks like I should give it to them so that
Yeah.
they spill the actual thing they
Yeah.
want to say.
अब यार इससे ज्यादा मैं क्या ही बोलूं यार, बस करो यार.
Because
मैं ऑफ स्क्रीन पूछूंगी, ऑफ स्क्रीन बता देना. Next question,
you.
who's most likely to out of the three of you kill someone, get killed and plan the entire thing?
Both quite capable of killing
Thanks.
and getting killed also. Overconfident.
You
And
will
what
be
do
the
you want to
planner.
plan it?
दूसरों के लिए बताना
We तो
है.
planning, no?
Yeah.
दूसरों के लिए बताना है.
हाँ, अब बता दिया, अब तो हो गया.
Planning.
क्या बता दिया?
हो गया कि आप किल कर सकते हो
अच्छा.
और आप किल हो भी जाओगे आप दोनों, and he'll be the mastermind behind it.
हमें किल करने के लिए. अच्छा, मास्टरमाइंड किसी को किल करने
But
के
he's
लिए.
planning.
Yes.
समझ गया.
But I could be the silent mafia, no? Who just
Yeah.
kills villages and be like,
Oh.
kill.
मैं तो किल कर ही नहीं सकता, मेरी हैंडराइटिंग कितनी अच्छी है.
We'll know the plan.
Love that. Who from Bollywood would you cast hypothetically if there was a whodunit situation to dump a body
I think
great
I'll ask
Kali.
उर्वशी रौतेला
Why won't she dump?
ऐसे देखते कैसे डंप करेगी वो oh shit मेरी बॉडी गोल्ड में गिर गई कुछ भी हो सकता है ना मुझे मजा आता है उसके उसमें देख के कि क्या क्या बहुत अच्छी चीज बोल देती है तो बॉडी
Nice.
डंप कैसे करेगी उर्वशी एक अलग कास्टिंग कर रहा हूँ
Nice.
मैं अलग कास्टिंग करो कुछ हाँ बोलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
A honey trap to test a couple's loyalty.
हनी ट्रैप टू ट्रस्ट अ कपल्स लॉयल्टी तो किस कपल पे करना है हनी ट्रैप
कौन
Who's
होगा?
gonna be the
Who will be the honey trap? Who
honey
will be the
trap?
girl
honey trap.
or the guy?
आई थिंक
It's all, she's asking all double-edged sword questions.
That's
मैं अगर ये
Slippery
अगर
slope.
मैं ये बोलूंगा तो मैं फंस भी सकता हूँ ना कोई बुरा भी मान सकता है ना
Not really. Like
But then
honey-
it could also be that person is really hot. I don't know.
Yeah.
It really
हाँ,
depends. I
like
don't
that
know.
only I'll say
that's
it
what
like that
that's
only.
what the question's coming from.
हाँ,
उसका कोई अलग
Yeah.
इंटेंट नहीं है.
मैं उसी वजह से बोलूंगा कि इतनी सुंदरता इतनी वो है कि वो कोई आई थिंक
There are
इफ
several then, तो ना?
Name one.
Please.
Oh.
एक्चुअली यस
Wow.
I'm thinking about it.
But so,
यस नहीं मेरा
I'm really offended. What do you think? How dare you?
ओके ओके ओके
Sorry, yeah.
Okay. To kidnap a bride from the mandap.
तो किडनैप अ ब्राइड फ्रॉम द मंडप तो कौन ब्राइड होगी वो
नहीं कौन किडनैप करेगा?
अच्छा ये जिंदगी तो सवाल ही नहीं समझ पा रहा यार
Vidyut Jamal.
हाँ,
Fire it off. He's athletic.
Nice one.
Nice one.
आई थिंक लक्ष्य इज आल्सो नाउ बिकॉज़ ही उसने पूरी ट्रेन में मतलब वो तो आई थिंक ही कैन आल्सो डू इट
Nice.
ठीक है. And to distract the police.
उसे अच्छा भी लगेगा ब्राइड चोरी करके चलेगा
To distract the police, Raghav
Rajpal
would be
sir.
very good.
Rajpal sir. also.
Raghav and Rajpal sir, both of them together.
धमाल देखी धमाल सीआईडी देखे तो अंदर कैसे जाते हैं सीबीआई अरे देख ही नहीं पाया वो उसका आईडी वैसा कुछ करूंगा मैं
ठीक है. Done. Love that.
हाँ.
A role you regret passing away.
None yet.
None yet.
No.
I know if there
Other
would
people
be-
on my behalf have regretted, but I don't. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And lastly, an overrated content piece in the recent times.
Overrated.
Overrated
Rated.
film or a show.
Overrated.
in the recent
Overrated.
times.
Oh, reels don't count.
Reels don't.
Because I have a list of those.
You can say.
I don't understand the hype behind
Yes, I'm
reality
very-
shows, to be honest.
Yeah,
I don't get it.
true. I agree. But also, like, you have an answer off screen. Okay. You nothing you find overrated. Everything's great.
I find it overrated. Lot of things I find overrated because but I don't have my papa sitting in industry that you know they will
Exactly.
even if I say Barkley this is overrated that is overrated I will get job. I have to go back to Mumbai beta and do my small time acting also. So that's why. Otherwise, lot of things are overrated and lot of things are like बहुत ऐसा है लेकिन but कुछ है
Come
नहीं.
on, we need to have a Gen Z.
Ditto.
Yeah, ditto. We need to have a Gen Z section as well, no? Those.
Yeah, the words.
Yeah,
Okay,
no?
I'm just throwing those
Waiting
words
on
at you, and then we'll wrap up. The first one is.
She had them ready.
Oh,
I'm ready. The first one is Delulu.
Delusion.
Yes, but
Yeah.
use it in a sentence.
Delulu is the Sululu.
That is a phrase, true, but like
But it's
also.
a
तेरे को बहुत पता है यार ये सब कहाँ से
delusion is
तू
the
कहाँ से
solution.
Yeah, but like tell
Delulu.
something to him ना, like use it in a
Oh.
sentence कि मुझे बोल रहे हो या उनको बोल रहे हो, कैसे use
I know
करोगे?
all this. I'll sit it out.
See?
Go on.
No.
What?
Help me, no?
Of course you can use it.
Delulu.
You know what it means.
Delusion. Delulu.
Yeah.
All the paps are Delulu.
That
No,
was
that
not
What?
correct usage. I'll use it.
Aren't they?
I'll use it in
Aren't
a.
they?
Hey guys, tomorrow I'm coming to
I'll-
Delhi Lulu. Chole bhature, alright?
I love
If you
it.
think you'll get the time to have chole bhature today,
All-
you're
yeah.
delulu.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
All the different sugars are healthy. Are all Delulu.
Yeah, but also Delulu is more like a relationship term.
Oh.
So you
Also.
can use it in a way like, stop simping over her. You're being delulu. She's not into you.
So you being Dilulu.
Yeah, you're being delusional.
मेरा दोस्त था एक दिल्लू देहरादून में है दिल्लू नाम है उसका तो उसको दिल्लू बोलूंगा अब से
Yes.
Delulu.
Done.
दिल्लू
Next one quickly is zombieing.
zombing means
Zooming out.
ghost out
Ghosting is alag, zombing is alag.
zombing
Zooming
नींद
out.
आ रही है बहुत थक गया हूँ
नहीं. Dating term है.
कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है
Dating term है zombieing.
Zombie means what?
Ghosting you all know what.
Yeah.
Ghosting, you know.
So like it's like dead walking. In
Ghosting me if I ghosted you, I'm out of your life.
Yeah.
But a zombie is a ghost
Keeps
who's not
coming
dead.
back.
So they
Oh,
keep coming
damn.
back.
oh
It's the worst.
It's the worst. It's
Yeah.
it's worse than ghosting, no?
Yeah.
Okay. And last word, which is like again beautiful and like it honestly sucks, but also whatever. It's the generation, so I can't really do much about it. It's orbiting.
Oh yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Stalking.
No.
No,
Orbit.
like being around someone,
हाँ, वही तो
hoping to
around.
be.
No.
Why? What do you mean?
Orbiting is not that.
इतना कर रही थी अभी
हाँ,
देखो
क्या हुआ?
What happened?
She's so sure that she's right.
She's
I mean, it's basic English, you
Delulu.
guys.
Sorry,
So,
girl, yeah, Delulu.
Orbiting is basically like if I have like if a relationship has ended and like I've ghosted you or zombied you or whatever, like it's ended, but I keep coming back and like a story maybe somewhere, or like I comment maybe.
But why can't it be like pre-relationship types when you're like orbiting somebody to be?
That's
you know?
simping.
That's simping.
Yeah.
Orbiting
She's trying
इसलिए
to be
हो
right.
रहा
Do
है
you have any
Logically, now she's
optimistic
trying to
terms,
be
or
right.
are they all very pessimistic?
It's very
Orbiting.
pessimistic because of our generation. It's very negative. So
ऑर्बिटिंग
Well, you said
ऑर्बिटिंग
it.
इसलिए भी है ना
Orbiting.
क्योंकि ऑर्बिट 24 घंटे नहीं होता कभी कभी स्टोरी में
कभी
दिख
होता है,
जाएगा
yes.
एंड इट्स
Orbiting,
लाइक दैट
yeah.
ओके
yeah, yeah. But thank you so much for doing this.
Thanks for bringing science into it, but sure.
I loved
Yeah.
chatting with you. I can't wait for the camera to be off so that I can know your real answers.
Come,
can't
have your
say.
truth serum.
For the-
कैमरा भी ये माइक
Mic
भी
भी
बंद
बंद कर
करो.
देना. But
उसके
thank
बाद
you.
लिस्ट देते हैं.
Thank you so much for doing this. I cannot wait to watch 11-11.
Thank you.
And even I screenshotted my 11-11 yesterday and it was like, wow. But I can't wait to see it, and you all should see it on Z5 for sure. And thank you so much.
Please
for
tell
doing
your
this.
Gen Z
They can't
audience
see,
to also
yeah.
watch it.
Yeah.
They have to. Like
इट्स एन अडैप्टेशन ऑफ
it
Duh.
is
A Korean drama,
from
and we believe that that's really
Gen Z.
your
जेन
thing.
जी
Yeah.
अडैप्टेशन है कोरियन आप लोग
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else we must do to hard sell this?
इसके बाद अगर ये भी आ जाए ना कहीं से तो मजा आएगा तो है
True.
Yeah.
But don't forget to watch 11-11 on Z5 on 9th August, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Hi, this is Kritika Kamra.
Hi, I'm Derek Kadwa,
हेलो गाइस आई एम राघव जियाल
and you're watching us on
आई
iDiva.
डिवा
Please like, share, subscribe.
Oh.
and hit the bell icon
Oh my God.
घंटी बजाओ don't orbit around just ring the bell
Love that.